everyone, welcome to my channel ZA Plantopia. My name is Zedin Alexander and hence the name ZA Plantopia. So if you guys are watching this video, that means you are just like me, a plant lover, and I'm so happy that you guys are tuned in because now we can share our TLC for plants. So today I'm going to talk about cacti or cactus. So, and I have a special guest for the show today, and he is none other than Maximus, the greatest. He's my son. How old are you, Max? 5 years old, yeah. So now when I decided to make a video on cactus, he said, Mama, he gave me a great idea. Mama, why don't we make a video about cactus and a video about a fairy garden, how to make a cactus fairy garden, right? So, now, do you want to say hi, Max?
Hi.
So, and about this video, the speciality about this video is that he is the one who owns all the cacti on this table. Yes, he's the one who handpicked each and every cacti on this table. And I'm so proud of him because this is a small story, and before we get into the video, I want to give a warning that this video might be a bit long because we're going to talk about cactus and a fairy garden, make a fairy garden with you guys, and yeah, so it's going to be a bit long. And so now about the cactus. So when we went to a garden center, I wanted to pick up some plants. I saw my son was so fascinated with some plants in one corner of the garden center. So I followed him and I saw that he was looking at all the cacti, and he asked me, Mom, I like these plants. What are they? And I said, they are called cactus. And he said, I want to get some. So when I heard that and I saw my son's fascination for plants, I was so proud and happy that I thought, okay, I'm going to get a cacti collection for him, and I made a fairy garden to instigate and to help develop his love for plants and especially cacti. So Max, and one more thing, like I like to learn fun facts and I like to teach my son some fun facts. So I'm going to I'm always going to have something fun or a fun fact for all of you in most of my videos. So this video we have 3 fun facts. Fun fact number 1, this is for the kids out there. Max, okay, do you want to tell? One is called?
A cactus.
If you have one, it's called a cactus. And if you have so many?
Cacti.
Cacti, yeah. Look at them and say it's a cacti.
It's a cacti.
Yeah. So, if you have one, it's called cactus. And if you have so many, it's called a cacti. Thank you, Max, for the fun fact. So now, and one more thing he wants to share with all of you, and that is he has named all his plants, all his cacti. So do you want to tell them the names, Max?
Yeah. Cacti.
Cacti, okay.
Love.
This is love.
Long.
This is long. These 1, 2, 3 are not cacti, they are succulents. Okay.
And poke.
Poke, okay.
Fluff.
Fluff, okay. This one, octopus.
Another octopus.
Okay.
Alien.
Alien.
Sector.
Okay.
Flower.
Flower, okay. This one.
How about this one?
Oh, okay.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish, okay. This one. You forgot?
Cactus.
Cactus, because there's 2 little ones on it. Okay, nice. Then?
Santo. Fatrial. Rose.
You gotta be careful, don't want to get poked. Okay. This one?
Sand.
Okay. This one, did you name this one?
Yeah, it was love.
Love. Yeah.
Both of them. If both cactuses are together, that's a love.
That's love. Okay, that's nice. This one?
I said that one. Factile.
Factile. Oh, sorry. This one?
One.
One.
One time.
One Thai, okay. Cacti, one
Cacti
Thai.
Sukai.
This is Sukai.
Yeah.
And that one?
Stuff.
Okay, this is Saf. Okay.
Pillow.
Pillow. And this one?
Egg.
Egg. Okay, so that is the names of his cacti. Now let's get into the TLC. Now do you want to talk about anything else, Max?
Water fat.
So he wants to talk about the water first. Now when it comes to watering, cacti, I'm sure all of you know cacti are from a desert place, so they don't get much water and they prefer not to have too much of water. And so you don't overwater it. Water it only when the soil is dry, and make sure it's really, really dry before you water it. So give a good number of days between each watering. I would say even minimum 1 week, and it depends upon the soil too, what soil you use. So the best thing is to look at the soil and see if it's dry, you water it. If you overwater it, the roots are going to get soggy and they will rot. And one of the signs of rotting is you see the bottom of the cactus becomes soft, color changes, and it starts bending. So avoid overwatering. And like I water my cacti once in 2 weeks. So now that changes. Now when it's summertime, you might need to water it more because the sun is really harsh and it's hot, and it will require the soil dries up faster. When it's winter, you cut back on watering. Like for an example, if you water once in a week during summer, during winter you just water once in 2 to 3 weeks. So that's the watering schedule for cacti. And what else? Yeah, that's about it about watering. Next, what do we talk about, Max? So first was watering. We spoke about watering. Next, let's talk about
Soil.
soil. Okay, that's good. Let's talk about the soil.
I have one.
Yeah, what do you say?
Soil.
Yes.
You can buy from any store.
Yes.
Walmart.
Yeah.
Like all the other places.
Yeah. Yeah. So when it comes to soil, now it's best for beginners. It's best, not just beginners, for everyone. Get cacti special soil. You can get it anywhere in Walmart or Superstore or garden centers. There's special soil for cactus and succulents. Now here is the funny part. I haven't used cactus soil. I've used regular potting mix, which I'm sure everyone will be against and will be like, oh no, it's not going to work, your cactus is going to die. But look at my cactuses. It's been more than 6 months. They are in regular potting mix and they're doing really well. See how fluffy this was and see how big this has grown. When I bought them, they were just this small and they were not this thick. So it's become nice and plump and tall. So regular potting mix is working for me because I really look at the soil.
So here's one what the same soil the goal show.
Yeah, so regular potting mix is working for me. You guys want to try it out, but don't hold me responsible if your plants don't do well. So just to be on the safer side, get cactus and succulent potting mix. And so that's about the soil. Next, Max, what else do you want? And these cacti are really easy plants to take care of, especially for people who don't have much time. They are one of the best beginner plants for all the plant lovers out there or who are planning to have a plant collection. So next, Max, what else do we talk about? We spoke about soil, water. Next, light.
Great.
Yeah. Do you want to say anything about light?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell
The
me.
cactuses don't like the dark and they only love the light.
Yes, so cactuses don't like the dark. That's right. So cactus, they want nice, bright and sunny location. So when you choose to place your cactus, make sure you put them next to a window that's nice and sunny, and they like direct, bright sunlight. So I would say a south facing window, east facing window is the best. Avoid north and west facing windows. they might not do so well. So you can keep them near the window, as close to the window as you can, so they can get the maximum amount of sunlight they want. And more the sunlight, the faster and happier your plant will grow. So that's about light. But also make it a point that you do check initially if it's a new cactus you've got and you place it next to a really sunny window. Make it a point in the first month you keep an eye on the cactus and see if the sunlight is a bit too much for it or not. Because actually this cactus is a very complicated topic. Easy to grow, but complicated topic because there are different types of cactus. We all think cactuses are all from deserts, but there are cactuses from other places that are not deserts. So that doesn't need direct bright light, but a little shaded light. So
like Canada.
Canada is not, yeah, Canada.
India.
Yeah, now so cactus, you have to make sure when you buy a new cactus and place it next to a window, keep an eye to see if you can see any brown spots or you feel the cactus is not doing well. That means it's a bit too bright for it. So the brown spots indicate like sunburn.
Like
So
this is.
that's about light. What
This
else,
is
Max?
brown. This is brown.
Yeah, I don't know. This has got little brown tips. I have to have a check on that. Okay.
And-
And this one is not doing well too.
And
Okay, Max. So we
this
spoke about
one,
water.
So these
Max,
seeds.
We spoke about.
brown
Yeah,
things.
that's okay. No, that is the design. Let's leave
Oh,
this here.
design.
Now let's talk about. Now we spoke about water, light, soil. Then what else do we need to talk about? Food. We
Yeah.
need to feed our plants. So when it comes to fertilizers, cactus don't need much fertilizers. You can, maybe during summertime, you fertilize it once in a month or once in 2 months. During winter time, cut back on fertilizer. Just don't fertilize it at all because mostly they go dormant. So avoid fertilizing during winter time. And when it comes to fertilizer, like the soil, it's very easy. It's out there in the market. If you want, you can buy cactus fertilizer, the special fertilizers for cactus. Or if you don't want to buy special fertilizers, just use the regular fertilizer. It's okay. And that's about fertilizer. So that's about it. So now fun fact number 2. Fun fact number 2 is, now these colorful ones, they're called moon cactus. And the other name for, I think the other name, not a very common name, is called Hibbotan cactus. And its scientific name is called Gymnocalcium mihanovici. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but these moon cactuses are actually 2 in 1. Yes, they're actually 2 in 1. This colorful part is actually a different variety of cactus, and this bottom you see is a different variety of cactus. So what they do is, these colorful parts of the cactus actually have no chlorophyll to synthesize food for itself. So if it has to survive, it has to be attached to another cactus that has chlorophyll. So what they do is they take the bottom, they cut out this colorful cactus and the bottom of it, and cut out the top of this green cactus, and they fuse them together. And I don't know what's the relationship called. It's not symbiosis, because symbiosis both benefits. In this, I think only the colorful one is benefiting. So that's fun fact number 2. So they are actually 2 cactus in 1. That's about these. And yes, now these cactus care is a little different from this when it comes to light, just the light. Everything else is the same. Both these cacti, the requirements for soil, water, and fertilizers is the same. But when it comes to light, you don't give that much. You don't keep it very close to a window, a bright window. It doesn't need direct bright sunlight, because these, if you put them in direct bright sunlight, these colors, they fade off, and they can get burnt. The parts can get burnt. But at the same time, the bottom, the green one, it needs bright sunlight. So the best option and the best place to keep these cacti are a little away from the window, like maybe 5 feet away from the window, so it gets bright light but not direct scorching hot sunlight. So keep that in mind when you have these, okay? And what else? Fun fact number 3. Max, you want to hear the fun fact number 3? Come on, sit up. Fun fact number 3. Everyone thinks this is a cactus. This is actually called a coral cactus. Its name is coral cactus. I'm not so sure of the scientific name. but this is actually not a cactus. I thought it was a cactus and I kept it so close to my window along with these cacti, and see what happened. You see the brown spots here? They're all sunburned. Because I thought it was a cactus, and I didn't do any study, I didn't do any research. My husband bought it for me, and because he liked it and he was so sure that I would like it, and that's true, I really like it. It looks beautiful. So I thought it's a cactus and I kept it along with my other cacti, and it got sunburned. I moved it away from the window and kept it along with these guys here, that a little away from the window, and he seems to be doing okay. So this is not a cactus. So that's fun fact number 3, sorry. So it's not a cactus, it's called a coral cactus, but not a cactus. So the care is a little different. It needs bright light, but not direct bright light. Okay, so that's about it. And care, I think fertilizer, soil, everything is the same. So that's it about our cactus. So you guys, now, so this is part 1 of the video. We are going to start, we're going to make a cactus fairy garden. Yes, Max, we're going to make a cactus fairy. He picked up some characters and he thought of a theme to make the fairy garden, so we're going to do that, and we're going to show you how we do that. So this is all about the cactus. If you guys really liked our video and you liked seeing my special guest for the video today, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. That will really help us, and I would really like it, because I would like to get in touch with all the plant lovers out there. And if you have any feedback or any growing tips or any TLC tips, please, I would love to hear about it and let me know. And if I'm wrong about anything, please let me know too, because I would like to change whatever I'm doing wrong. I know the soil part is wrong. I'm using regular potting mix, but it's been doing good for me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come with part 2. I don't know if I should join it with this video or make another video. Okay, so thank you so much. Max, you want to say thank you?
Thank you so much.
Look at them and say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So this is my son Max. He keeps coming. He has a lot of ideas and to make videos, so we'll come out with that. Right, Max? Thumbs up. Bye. See you guys.